In this video, I'm going to show you how to type X bar in OneNote quickly and correctly using the built-in equation tools. This is super useful if you're working on math, statistics, science notes, or anything that needs symbols and formatting that look clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy OneNote tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want to type X bar. The fastest way to start is by pressing Alt and the equals key at the same time. This opens the equation box inside OneNote. Once the equation box appears, look at the top ribbon and click the equation tab that shows up. This tab gives you access to all the math formatting tools OneNote has built in. Next, find and click the accent button. This is the one that looks like a lowercase a with a small square above it. The accent menu is where OneNote keeps special formatting options for adding symbols above or around your letters. After that, scroll down through the options until you find the bar template. Click it to insert the bar over your expression. You'll now see a small dotted box under the bar. Click inside that dotted box and types. As soon as you type it, OneNote will format it as X bar, also written as X with a line above it. If you need to use this again, you can repeat the same steps anytime inside a new equation box. Just remember the shortcut. Alt plus equals, equation tab, accent, bar, then type 8 in the dotted box. This is a simple method, but once you know it, it saves a lot of time and makes your notes look much more polished. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next OneNote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.